is Tuesday, October 17th, 2017. This is Biostats or Math 221B, Lesson 11 and Group 9 on the group meeting quiz. Tonight it's just Kelsey, me, and let me pull that up. We'll skip question 1 and 2 and go ahead and start with question 3. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma. Just 1 second.
Oh, you're good.
Somebody that should know better. Okay, sorry about that. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about sigma or standard deviation. What has changed? In this lesson, well, we assume sigma is unknown. Correct?
Correct.
The last one, it was known. This time it's unknown.
Exactly.
Okay, so for the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypotheses be: the null hypothesis of mu equals 8, and the alternative hypothesis is mu greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample of size n with 9 and computes x bar equals 11 and s equals 6. Is sigma known?
No.
That's probably our easiest question.
Like, sometimes I'm like, is that a trick question?
I know, I do too. Okay. Question 5. What is the value of t?
Okay. So, x bar, so 11 minus 8. Did you get 7?
No.
No? What did you get?
I got 1.5, but maybe I'm wrong.
Here, so did you set it up?
I set it up. No, go ahead.
Oh, so I had 11 minus 8 divided by 6 divided by, or 6 over the square root of 9.
That's what
Is that how you set it up?
Yeah.
Oh, let me do my calculations again. It might have just been me. Oh, yeah, I don't know what happened the first time. 1.5. I don't know how that happened. Okay, well, cool. Now we're on the same page. Okay. Do you want me to read this one?
Sure, go for it.
1 second. Ken, could you wait till after to do that? Thanks. So use the following values, which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis, u equals 98.6. Alternative hypothesis, mu is less than 98.6 and a level of significance of 0.05. Can we copy these? I don't want to have to type all those.
Yeah, you can. Well, I don't know. I think I had to plug them in individually into the Excel.
Oh, did you already do this one?
Well, I'm talking about when I was doing stuff on the homework stuff, I wasn't able to do that. I had to plug them in individually, as I recall.
Oh, wow.
So
I wonder if I can get there.
here we go. Fun time.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Where's my spreadsheet?
You're typing them in, right?
Yep, I was just getting to the spreadsheet.
Yeah, I just didn't know if you were understood what I was saying.
Oh, yep. Oh gosh, there's a lot. Okay. Let's see. Did you get them all entered in there, Peggy?
Almost.
Okay.
I'm just double checking. Okay.
So, what was the first question about it?
What is X bar? Sample mean.
Did you get 98.22?
Yep. Well, 98.220.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. What is
That's the nice thing about once you finally get it plugged in to have some of this stuff just be there.
Oh, I know.
Okay, what is S? 0.922.
Yep.
Okay. What is the T-score?
$248.438.
That's not what I got. And this was, I don't know. What did you say you got?
248.438.
That's not what I got. I got minus 1.843.
Did you do a calculation or did you just get it off of?
I did 98.220 minus 98.6 divided by,
I thought we could just get it off of the,
I don't think so. Did I miss an easy something?
no, I probably just tried to make it easy when it wasn't. 1 second, let me look at something.
Because there's a formula for getting a t-score.
Right. Here, let me just do that really quick. How big was the sample? 20, it was 23, right? Let me. Did you do 19 for the sample size? I'm just doing that in my head.
I think, isn't it 20?
20. Oh, let me see. 1, 2.
That's what I've got in my graph. Unless I'm reading
Oh,
something.
mine is 20. Yeah, it says right there. I don't know why I'm making this so hard. Sorry.
You're fine.
Okay, so negative 1.843. Does that sound?
Yep, that sounds better.
Whoa. I was just trying to take a shortcut and it didn't work.
How's your weather?
It was good today. It's been chilly, which is actually nice, but
I would think it's getting cold there.
yeah, it's starting to. We have to go out and start the cars in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, then it's
cold. Okay. So negative 1.843 is our number 8, right?
Number 8. Yep.
Cool. So the p-value, is that on this spreadsheet? Peggy, is the p-value on here?
That's in the applet.
Oh. So we put t into there. So we put the negative point, we put 1.843 into the applet, right?
Yeah.
I didn't really understand this one super well. So did you get 0.1626?
Well, I was going to tell you that on the applet, I looked, and I don't know if I'm not looking in the right place or what, but I couldn't find an applet to help that. So I searched, and I used an applet on from Iowa, a student T applet.
Oh,
Student
there
T
was a link to it at the top of this quiz.
I'm going by what I did with homework and stuff. Let me go see.
It was in the homework, but I think it was kind of, it would have been easy to read over, I think.
Yeah, in the homework, I couldn't find one to help me, so I just Googled and I had my stuff up. I have to kind of have my Google Hangout stuff up, my applets up, and everything, so I just had up the one that I used for homework.
Hey, that works. Did you get the same thing as me? 0.163?
I got 0.040.
What the heck? So, and
we won't have Elizabeth to be our sacrificial lamb to submit the quiz first either.
So how many degrees of freedom do we have? Does it say? Does that matter? I'm so lost.
I'm blind. I'm looking at this again.
How do you figure out degrees of freedom? I don't. Because I think that's what do you have as your degrees of freedom in your probability applet?
This one, 319.
You have what?
I'm sorry. 19.
19. Do you know where that came from?
Look at the right thing.
Do we just use the degrees of freedom off of? Let's see if I put in 19.
I've got 19, Kelsey.
Okay. So was your answer?
That's what I'm going by, that's what I'm going by, but I could be wrong. So you'll have to do what you think is right, because I think
that's fine. That's what it is in this spreadsheet thing.
I'm far from the expert on this at all.
Oh no, you're great. So did you get 0.081?
I got 0.0405.
And so you have, what did you put as your T-score in there?
The negative 1.843.
See, I don't understand why we're getting different things.
I don't either.
Because I have students' T probabilities with 19 degrees of freedom. I have the outside ones shaded. I have 1.843 is equal to T.
Well, only the left tail should be shaded.
No, your P-score is like, it's
Am I doing it wrong?
I think you need both shaded, because like The p-score, remember, is the probability that will be like as extreme on either end. Or where's my? I don't know. In the homework, can you see this little? It's like a sketch of like where you're supposed to shade for that represents the p-value, and it's like both edges. I don't know. I'm not making sense. I'm not good at explaining this. But I'm pretty positive that that's what you're supposed to do for p-values.
Yeah, I'll let you. It doesn't matter to me. I'm okay. Whether we submit together or first or whatever, I'm okay.
Yeah, I don't. Let's see. So 0.
I'll be lucky if that's the only one I get wrong.
I know, right? I'm ready for this class to be over, and I don't even know if we're halfway there.
I think we're getting close, but we're still a ways off.
Okay, question 10. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? So
I'll let you take that one because I don't know if my answer's on my wrong answer. I would say it's reject the null hypothesis, but I don't know if I'm getting the right answer or not.
So do you reject if it's lower than the significance level, right? So I'm gonna say, because 0.08 is
reject the null hypothesis if the p-value is less than the level of significance. If not, then don't reject.
So I would fail to reject with my answer, but
okay,
that's totally up to you
well,
on what you want to do.
This could be horrible.
I know. Oh my gosh, we still have like 6 questions. Okay. Are you ready to move on to the next section?
Sure.
Okay, fun stuff. Use the following values, which were pulled from the data file Baby Boom, for the next 6 questions. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. Copy and paste them into blah, blah, blah. The hospital claims that the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test the claim. You select null hypothesis is equal to 40, alternative hypothesis not equal to 40, with a level of significance of 0.01. So here are our things. We're looking at the wait time, right? That's what it was.
Yeah, in minutes between births.
Because I found the spreadsheet, so.
Did you use SPSS or did you use Excel?
What's SP? I think it's that Excel worksheet.
Yeah, there's 2 different ones, and it seemed like in the lesson that they used the SPSS quite a bit on this particular lesson. I used Excel pretty much.
Yeah, I'm just using Excel. Okay. So we have to find T. That doesn't make sense. What did you get for your T-score?
That's what I'm trying to figure out right now. What that is? Okay, 40.048. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I have. So what's that?
I don't think that's right because if you put that in the
I'm sorry, I'm messing myself up.
I got 1.496 or negative 1.496. So my P-score would be 0.1.
I have T minus 40.048 minus 40 divided by 36.
Wait, what did you have?
40.048 minus 40 divided
40.
by, is that
Oh,
wrong?
you have different.
Huh?
What's your mean that you got? I got 33.256.
If you're using the spreadsheet, I think that only uses a portion, but like I said, mine could be wrong, Kelsey. I have 40.048 minus 40 divided by 36.356 divided by the square root of 21 equals.
See, we have completely different numbers.
0.006.
We have completely different numbers than each other on that spreadsheet. So I'm wondering, because I went and found the baby boom where they got that information from and just copied and pasted it.
Really?
Yes.
Well, then maybe we should go with yours.
So now half of me, though, is wondering if we need to redo the last one then, because if it didn't have all the information, then our numbers are going to be wrong.
Well, I think the baby boom one had more on it than what's on our quiz, but if you want to be brave and submit yours first, you can.
I just want to look at something. I don't know. Here, let's just finish this part and then. So for the p-value, I'm putting 0.1511.
or
Holy
0.151.
So I'm gonna fail to reject.
That's what I have for mine too. I may have a wrong answer in 11, but I'm going with the fail to reject in 12.
What did you put in 11?
I'm going with 0.995.
Okay. This isn't going well. All right. Oh well.
You're probably right and I'm probably wrong.
Oh no, who knows? I don't even care at this point.
Oh, shoot.
You decide to
Okay.
try another alternative hypothesis. Oh, of course you do. This time you use mu is less than 40 and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease? Wait, what? You know what? I think I'm wrong. I think you're right, maybe right about the shading.
Don't let me talk you into anything.
Well, this is the same number. But the only thing they changed was not equal to. And this time it's less than. So maybe I only shade the one side. So I'm going with 0.75 on this one.
So the question is, did the p-value increase or decrease?
Oh, I didn't even finish reading it. So what was my p-value? So it would decrease.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Cool. I like that. What decision do you make?
Fail.
Yeah, still failed to reject. Oh, my gosh. Make it stop. Now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births at a hospital. What is the lower?
The Excel data should have that.
Oh, hallelujah.
Did you use a 95% significance on that one? They told us that anyway in the intro.
Yeah. So the lower limit, let's see. My Excel spreadsheet has a confidence interval of 24.158 to 42.5353.
Oh.
Is that what you had?
I've got 23.499 versus
Oh my.
56.9 or 56.597. Sorry. So, or in other words, 23.5 and 56.6 rounding.
So I'm just gonna do the calculation. So sample mean is, where is it? I guess we have two completely different things, so it's like almost pointless for us to compare answers.
Well,
But oh well.
are you using the values in the? Maybe I copied something wrong.
What's your N? Is it 43?
21.
See, okay, so you don't have all the data. Or maybe, oh, you know what? Oh my gosh, Peggy.
What?
I'm such an idiot. They didn't use all the data from the spreadsheet, did they? That's what you were saying to me earlier.
That's what I was trying. That's what I was trying
That's what you were saying, and that's what I was not understanding. Gall. Oh my. So how many? So you did. Oh, I hate myself. Oh, so it ends at 61. Oh, this day needs to end. It's been a terrible day.
Take a deep breath. You want to relook? You want to? My stuff could be wrong. I don't know. I'm just saying.
I think if it's okay with you, I understand what I did wrong. I'm gonna plug it into here. But if I could just know your numbers, that would be really nice. Oh, I'm so silly.
Oh, we get 2 tries.
Yeah.
Here we go.
1 second.
So far, so good. I'm shocked. Oh, 100.
Oh.
I'm shocked. I'm floored.
I'm not. You're doing good. I've been confused this whole time. Okay. So can you go back through this with me real quick? Because I know I don't have the same answers as you.
Oh, it's sending me a ding ding message. Okay, where do you want me to?
Let's just go backwards, if that's okay. So for the confidence interval, do you have 23.5 to 56.6?
Yep.
Okay, so now I have the right information in there. So 23. Here, so 16 is 56.6, right?
Yep.
And then 23.5 for 15. 14 is fail to reject.
Yep.
13 is decrease.
Yep.
12 is fail to reject.
Correct.
Okay, I think this is where I got off on my p-value. What did you get for p-value on 11?
0.995.
Okay. Cool. Okay, and then we agreed on everything before that, right?
I think pretty much.
Okay, I'm submitting this thing. I'm tired of this.
Oh, wait a minute. What about 9? I don't remember what you decided on 9 and 8.
Oh, let's see. It'll let me go back.
I can't remember if you redid that and figured that.
I don't know. 1 sec. Let me. So for 8, I had negative 0.843. And 9, I had 0.081.
9, I had 0.040. That was the one, I think, where it was.
Oh, yep. That was the one where I did the p-value wrong. So 0.040. Thank you so much.
And 8 was negative 1.843, if I heard you right.
Yep, we got that one.
And 7 was 0.922.
Yep.
And 6 was 98.220.
Yep. Okay.
So I think you're good.
Let's see. Submit this bad boy. What did I miss? Oh, well.
Did you miss one?
Oh, I forgot to reject. I should have rejected. Oh, well. I don't even care. It's fine. Or I can let me go back.
I thought you said all those right.
No, I stopped. What question was it? 10.
Oh, I thought you said reject on that also.
No.
No, you didn't? Okay.
Uh-uh.
You can do
Oh
it again.
well.
You can do it a second time.
Yeah,
Right?
I probably will. I won't make you sit through that though.
We can do it a second time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, up to you. I have no
I
idea
mean, if
how.
you didn't mind, since you have yours open, I might. Would you care if I just did the next one and we went through?
No, go ahead.
Okay. Thank you
Maybe
so much.
should
You're so sweet.
Should we stop the broadcast though? We
Yeah, that might be good.
Yeah.